In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add text blocks in the Hostinger website builder. Whether you're crafting a sleek business site or a personal blog, text is the cornerstone of effective communication. Let's dive right into the process to keep your web design flow seamless and efficient. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to Hostinger's homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll want to make your way to the website builder interface. It's the heart of your design hub where all the magic happens. If you're not sure how to get there, don't worry, just look for the section dedicated to website building in your Hostinger dashboard and click your way in. Now that you're in the website builder's workspace, direct your attention to the side panel. This is your main toolkit for creating and customizing your site. Here you're going to click on Elements. This section unfolds a treasure trove of options. Think of it as your web building supply store, offering everything from images to spacers. Today, though, our focus is on text blocks, so let's zero in on those. Next, go ahead and select text from the list of elements. You'll notice a variety of text styles and preset formats available. These options are designed to fit every part of your website, from patchy headlines to smaller, detailed descriptions. Choosing the right text style can elevate your website's look, add distinction, and importantly, maintain consistency across your pages. After you've selected your text style, it's time to bring your voice to the page. Click on the text block and you'll see a blinking cursor inviting you to start typing. Don't be afraid to be expressive and informational here, as this is a major communication point with your audience. If you're drafting content, a helpful tip is to keep your key messages clear and concise. If you've prepared your text in advance, simply copy and paste it into the text block. Once you have your text in place, take a moment to ensure everything looks just as you envisioned. Feel free to explore the editing options that appear at the top of the text box. You can adjust font sizes, colors, and even text alignment to perfectly match your brand's aesthetic. If you're aiming for a particular tone or style, tweak these settings until you achieve that perfect balance. And there you have it. You've successfully added a text block to your website using Hostinger's website builder. This basic but essential skill will help you create engaging and informative sites that captivate your visitors. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different text styles and formatting options. Thanks for following along, and happy designing!